Earth. The only planet where life is known to exist. A result of pure chance and scientific events. The future, present, and past of our own existence are all contained within this one blue speck. The Earth was made of debris from the formation of our Sun some 4.5 billion years ago. Because of Earth's unique position inside the solar system, it can host phenomena that haven't been observed anyplace else in our galaxy. A total of 1.5 million species of bacteria, fungi, plants, animals, and other organisms have been systematized, and millions may yet exist. Earth, which supports life and is powered by water, has a distinctive planetary ecosystem that is as fascinating and colossal as the celestial events that gave rise to it. Homo sapiens, the first intelligent human species to emerge, started to occupy the planet some 300,000 years ago and hasn't stopped since. The Latin term Homo sapiens means wise man. But is man really that wise? Man is smart, and it's wonderful to be smart, but not too smart for your own benefit. As a result, both the Earth and its inhabitants are undergoing change. One way, or the other. The actions of human beings will shape their own fate. It's nature. It will go on. It's prepared to evolve. Are we?